Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My dear student, I hope you all are fine. Now your science class time. Class 5, week 10. Today our assignment is related to the chapter heat and matter. My dear student, we will discuss this chapter in previous lecture. The first question in your assignment is write detailed answer of the following question. First question is difference between conductor and non-conductor by an activity. My dear student, the definition of conductor and non-conductor discussed in previous lecture. The difference between conductor and non-conductor is given in your book, page number 73. Conductor, the object that absorb heat or allow heat to pass through them are called conductor. For example, metal like iron, copper, aluminium, etc. Non-conductor, the object which do not absorb heat or do not allow heat to pass through them are called non-conductor. For example, rubber, wood, paper, clay, glass, plastic, etc. Activity: take boiling water in a beaker and dip in it a simple steel spoon and another one of wooden or plastic handle. Now touch both the spoon one by one. You will observe that the wooden handle spoon is cool and is easier to hold, while the steel spoon is hot. Result: steel is conductor of heat and plastic and wood are non-conductor of heat. Okay, my dear student. Now we will move the next question. Write any three conductors and non-conductor things in your copy. My dear student, you already know what is conductor and non-conductor. Here you just write the name of conductor and non-conductor. Write the name of conductor: metal like iron, copper, aluminium, and non-conductor: rubber, wood, and paper. Okay, my dear student. Now move the next question of your assignment. And next question is fill in the blanks. First blank is temperature means the degree of dash in a body. You write heat in the dash. Okay, you write heat in first blank. Solid bodies dash on heating, melt on heating. Okay, the object which allow heat to pass through them is called conductor. You write conductor in third blank. The bodies which do not allow heat to pass through them are called non-conductor. You write not conductor in fourth blank. Dash means the degree of heat or cold in the body. You write temperature in the fifth blank. Temperature means the degree of heat or cold in the body. Okay, my dear student. Now move the next question. Put the tick against the correct and cross against the false statement. Okay. When a hot rod is dipped into cold water, after some time, the temperature of the two become the same. This statement is true. Heat does not affect any solid body. No, this statement is false. A steel wire, when cooled by rubbing ice, gain length. No, this statement is false. Conductor do not allow the heat to pass through them. No, this is false because conductor allow heat to through them. Okay, and next question is circle the correct answer. On heating object, options are expand, contract, no change is seen. Expand, you choose option A. Heat transfer, options are from a hot body to a cold body, from cold body to a hot body, in both decreasing. You choose option A, from a hot body to a cold body. Conductor of heat are rubber, wool, iron. You choose option C, iron. Non-conductor of heat are brass, copper, plastic. You choose option C, plastic. Which one expend more on heating? A solid, a liquid, a gas? You choose option C, gas. Okay, my dear student, I hope you all are understand the work of your assignment. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.